This is Mustang Jeff. It's May 2nd. This is Humboldt Classics at the Broadway Cinema, Eureka, California. Let's check out the cars.
Yeah, but just like you know how that goes. Yeah. Just last week I was dealing with, as I was getting the operating kind of like. That's for sure. Good.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So I want to see with everybody else here.
I don't know. You never know what that really equates to.
Yeah.
And those are the cars at the Humboldt Classics, Broadway Cinema, Eureka, California. Make sure to like and subscribe. That way you can see when new content comes out.